In this video, we'll look at how to edit, update, and manage existing road markings. The same commands used to create road markings can also be used to edit them. Geometry, parameters, and individual elements can all be updated as the design changes. First, let's edit a line marking. To do this, we'll start by running the line markings command from the Kobi Signs Stripes ribbon and selecting the existing line marking in the drawing. We'll change the start and end station, adjust the width, and confirm the changes with OK. Next, let's update an area marking after modifying its base geometry. We will adjust the shape of the original polyline within which the area marking was drawn. We then run the area markings command and select the existing area marking entity. By enabling the auto preview option, we can immediately see the traffic island adjusted to its new shape. We'll adjust the parameters as needed. In this case, we'll change the fill corner option and change the direction of the area marking. Change direction allows you to specify two new points to redefine the orientation of the area marking pattern. We'll also enable the option to project the marking onto the tin surface and confirm the changes with OK. In the next step, we'll remove an existing cross marking. To do this, we run the Remove Markings command, select the markings we want to remove and confirm the action. Now we'll modify the remaining cross marking. We run the cross markings command again and select the remaining cross marking in the drawing. To extend the marking to the edge of the roadway, we select Change Points and specify two new points. By adjusting the start point, we control where the first cross marking element begins. We then add a new element to the pedestrian crossing using the triangle shape and define its parameters. As before, we enable the option to project the marking onto the tin surface. Once we're satisfied with the changes, we press OK. Finally, we remove the arrow area marking and replace it with a stop line using the cross markings command. Kobi Signs Stripes provides a simple, predictable workflow for editing and updating road markings as the design evolves.